So this is the overall view of optical fiber experiment which comes under video syllabus. So under the name optical fiber. So the aim of the experiment is to determine the cone acceptance angle and the numerical aperture of an optical fiber. So in this video you can look at the optical fiber cable, and here you can look at the output end, so from which we can observe the laser light comes out of it, and it is allowed to fall upon the screen kept here. Okay, the distance between the cable output and the screen is considered as F, and the diameter of the spot formed on the screen. So now you can look at in this picture, a spot is observed on the screen. So we have to measure the diameter of the spot formed. So by knowing the distance of the cable output from the screen, that is F, and the diameter of the spot formed, that is capital D, we can able to calculate the cone acceptance angle as well as numerical aperture. So here the cone acceptance angle will be given by the formula. So here is a formula for calculating the cone acceptance angle, that is theta is equal to tan inverse capital D by 2F, where D is the diameter of the spot formed on the screen and F is the distance of the screen from the cable output end. So this is what the observations, and the corresponding numerical aperture of the optical fiber is given by Na is equal to sin theta. So here theta is the cone acceptance angle, and the corresponding value of sin theta will be considered as numerical aperture of the given optical fiber. Stop. So now on the screen, the diameter of the spot is found to be 8 mm. So the distance between the adjacent lines, here it is found to be 2 mm. So the shadow covers 4 spaces. That's why the diameter of the spot formed is considered as 8 mm here. So now the distance of the screen is fixed at 2, and then the corresponding value on the scale is showing 25 with respect to the position of the screen. So the distance of the screen from the cable output is considered as 25 as per this reading. So in this, this is the tabular column for entering the readings. So here D is the diameter of the spot, F is distance of the screen from the cable output. Okay, now we have to consider the first case as 8 mm, the diameter of the spot formed. So the reading, whatever we consider it as 25 now, 25. And if we calculate tan theta, the value becomes 0.16. And the corresponding theta value, if we calculate, 9.09 degrees, and the corresponding numerical aperture value comes to be 0.158. So like this, we have to increase the diameter of the spot just by moving the cable output away from the screen, such that the diameter is set to 10 mm. Okay, now you can look at one. To move the screen away from the, now I am going to move the screen away from this cable away from the screen, so such that if we keep moving it, so for a particular value of the distance, the diameter of the spot is found to be 10 mm now. It covers 5 distances. So the diameter of the spot obtained is 5 mm, and the corresponding value is found to be 35. So 10, 20, 30, 35. So in this way we have to conduct the experiment. So we have to move the output end away from the screen, and hence the diameter of the spot goes on increases, and the corresponding values are entered in the tabular column. Okay. So for the diameter value is equal to 10 mm, the value comes as 35. The distance of the screen from the output end is 35, and when we calculate the value of tan theta, it will be around 0.143, and the corresponding theta is 8.14, and the numerical aperture value is 1.1, that is 0.142. So if you repeat the experiment by pushing the output end away from the screen, the corresponding values obtained were all for 12 mm it is 45, and the corresponding theta, that is tan theta value is 0.133, and the value of theta is 7.57, and the corresponding numerical aperture is 0.132. So this is the way of conducting the experiment. So we are going to get the value of D and as well as the value of F like this. And if we plot a graph of F versus D, we are going to get a straight line. Okay, so now I am going to show you a graph, how to plot. So I will show you how to plot the graph. So here we have to take the value of F along y-axis and the diameter of the spot D along x-axis, and I am going to fix the scale, that is along x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 mm, and along y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So this is what the scale fixed. Now I am going to consider the values. So let us consider this is the origin, and for y-axis this is 10, 20 mm, 30 mm, 40, 50, 60, 70 like this, and along x-axis let us start with 2 mm, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So like this we have to take the values. Now for the spot number 1, the diameter of the spot is 8 and the corresponding F value is 25. So 25 we can fix it. And for the value of D is equal to 10, the value of F is 35. So 30, 35. And for the value of diameter D is equal to 12 mm, the value of F is 45, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So similarly we have to consider all the spots into account, and when we join all the spots we are going to get a straight line like this. So this is the way of plotting the graph in this experiment. Calculate the average value of numerical aperture for all the spots. So now the average value of numerical aperture is going to be 0.1333 as per the calculations by taking all the readings into account, and the average value of cone acceptance angle is written as 7.663. So we have to take the average value of all the theta values and write that here, and the average value of numerical aperture and write that here, and corresponding graph that you have to plot. And finally the result will be the cone acceptance angle of the optical fiber is 7.663 degrees, and the numerical aperture of the given optical fiber is 0.133. So in this way we have to calculate the parameters and exhibit in the result.